Welcome to our channel 1 Step, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Merrick Bank account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to search for Merrick Bank Login just like this. And after you search for Merrick Bank Login, the first option, merrickbank.com, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it'll take you to the official website of Merrick Bank. Once you're over here, at the side you can see the customer login option. You can click on this little option and choose which sector you want to log in into. So I want to log in into credit card section, so I will choose that. And after I do that, I will enter my username, and where it says password, I will enter the password of my account. After I do that, I can click on login and log in into my Merrick Bank account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 Step for future videos just like this. And if you forgot the password or the username of your account, you can click on this to recover them as well.